So we're in my workshop,
Yeah.
and it's very wonderful to introduce Peter. And Peter's a very unusual guy. I never had a student like this because he is a jewelry manufacturer, actually, and he has a website. And can I tell the name of the
Elite
website?
and Luck.
Elite and Luck.
Right.
And he makes beautiful, beautiful, very high-end jewelry, and sells to all over the world. So I think it's really amazing.
Yeah.
He's got a wonderful internet business. He's very savvy with the internet, and it's wonderful. And he actually presented me with one of his pieces, but they're beautiful. And he has factories working for them and box makers. He's come up with a brand, and you have 26,000 viewers.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Right.
So he's really not in this field. He's basically, you were from finance, right?
Right.
And he's a manager of a bunch of financial managers, actually. He's the head manager of a group, right?
Yeah, right.
Right.
I'm in the financial business.
And he heard of me through a friend of mine, a mutual friend, who is his cousin, your cousin, right?
My cousin.
She's cousin. And she's wonderful. She's been a friend of mine for a very long time. And the girls were actually my students. Her daughters were both my students who went to ISB. So Peter, you're having an experience. He's had 2 classes with me, and today he made this, I don't know if you can...
Kyanite.
I think it shows...
Ring.
What is the name of it?
Kyanite.
Kyanite. He's very familiar with the names of stones. His business is based on the magic of stones, really. Some stones that bring you wealth, some stones bring you health. Right? What does this one bring you?
Actually, it helped about the finance.
About finance?
Yeah, improving the financial situation.
But he's doing all right.
Some believe that it decreases your debt.
And actually, in the video, I'm going to, if you look at the top of the frame right about here, I'm going to put in a pair of cufflinks that he gave me as a gift. Actually, Nina gave me a gift of your one. I have one other before, another pair of cufflinks.
Maybe another collection.
Yeah, a different collection. He's got many collections. He's got models showing his jewelry, very professional. It's amazing. But he's never made anything. So it's pretty interesting that here's a man who's got a full-blown business, but he's never actually been on the making side of things. So for these 2 classes, what was it like for you? What did it feel like seeing things made in front of you?
Okay, let me recap something that, I'm the owner of the jewelry brand named Elite and Luck. What I do is I design in the past until today. I design my own jewelry and let the factory build them for me, like an OBM, original brand manufacturer, something like that. But to be honest, I graduated in finance, not a jewelry maker, so I outsourced the production process to the factory. Okay, when I come to see you, that I think it's a new thing for me, that I actually can build something from the scratch. Right. Actually, in the past, I know the concept that how to do the jewelry, but I never done it by myself. Like when you drive a car, you know how to drive the car, but you may not know how to build a car. Something like that, right? And that's what I did until today. And then when I come to see you, you are a very great teacher. You can show me and demonstrate me step by step from the beginning, right? Build a perfect ring from the scratch, from the beginning, and I can see every step, and I can understand more about the process to build the jewelry.
I want you to. Were you surprised today? You know how long this ring took to make? And it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. This ring took how many hours?
Around 3 hours.
More. We started at 9, right?
3 to 4 hours, I think.
4 hours.
Yeah.
So that took 4 hours to make, and I think that's sort of an eye-opener for you, right? You saw me go through the process of making it.
Yes.
And it helps him a lot. And we're going to do a few different projects together so that he really gets some insight into the manufacturing side of things. And where he goes, all the goldsmiths are very expert, and his product is stunning. I mean, it's Emporium and Paragon stunning. Actually, you could be selling this stuff at the Paragon.
Yeah,
you know,
I can actually.
yeah. But he's doing really well, and his presence, and because he's sort of a finance manager, he's really handled the business end of this so amazingly beautiful. And this is just a hobby for you, right? Or is it more than a hobby now?
More than hobby, I think.
More than a hobby.
Yeah, because I think that after I retire from my work, I can do this business.
Right.
So I'm quite serious about it, and I've done this business for at least 6 years already.
From a personal point of view, what was it like to be in the shop and see something made for you? What did you feel when you were watching things being made?
I think it's amazing, right? To see things and how it made, and it can make me more understanding about how each ring done. Okay, and I think it will help me.
I want to bring this into the camera so the camera can see the ring a bit. So that beautiful ring we made today in 4 hours. And the metal didn't look like much, did it? There wasn't much silver involved with this little ring. Right? It was very simple. So you gained insight, right? Did you feel that you gained insight today?
Yes, a lot.
A lot.
A lot. Very helpful to me.
So if anybody watching this video wants to take lessons in manufacturing, this is a great place. What do you think of my little workshop?
Yeah, it's very great. And you have many tools that can help anyone to build a very good jewelry.
Right?
Yeah.
So you're invited, and Peter, it's been delightful working with you, you know. And I think I can see that many surprises in all of this, how you do stuff. You're getting that, right?
Yes.
So I think that's wonderful. So that's all. I just wanted to introduce Peter today, and I'm very fortunate to have him as a student here in Blue Sky Silver Workshop.